poor man's burnt ends. Coming up right here on Brisket Medic. Welcome back, everybody. We're going to be doing a little bit of poor man's barbecue burnt ends. We're going to take our can of Spam, we're going to dice it up into some uniform cubes, we're going to shake it in some Uncle Steve's thick meat, we're going to stick it on that Green Mountain Grill's Jim Bowie at 275 degrees for about 30 minutes, shake it up in some sauce, throw it back on there for another 10-15 minutes, lay it out, see how she tastes. Let's go. Womp womp. While our poor man's burnt ends are finishing up in the Green Mountain Grill's Jim Bowie, let's go ahead and recap what we did. We took our can of Spam and we cracked it open, and there was a little bit of work involved there because the tab broke off. Anyways, we got that out, got it cubed up nice and pretty like. We got Uncle Steve's thick meat shaked down on top of it. We got our Green Mountain Grill's Jim Bowie warmed up to 275 degrees. Tossed them on there for 25 minutes. At that point, took them off, put them in a pan, put your favorite barbecue sauce on it, use whatever you like, I don't care. I like Stubb's Sweet Heat myself. Toss that on there, don't drown them too much, make sure it's fully coated though. Throw them back on there for 275 for 15 minutes or until it's your finish of choosing. These are about done. Here in just a few minutes we're going to open it up, check them out, taste them, see how we like them. Stay tuned. Check that out. Beautiful color, Uncle Steve's thick meat on it, a little stuffed barbecue sauce, some smoke, getting it all set in. Let's try these poor man's burnt ends. If you've never had Spam, or if you don't like Spam, you gotta cook it this way. I'm telling you, it's awesome. You bite into it, You get that amazing smoke flavor, that barbecue flavor, that thick meat flavor. Try you some Spam, get you some burnt ends. Poor man's barbecue burnt ends on the Green Mountain Grill's Jim Bowie. It is fantastic. Make sure you're drinking more water. Hit that like and subscribe button because about 70% of you aren't subscribed. I see you. Hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. This is Brisket Matic telling you I love you and drink more water. See ya.